ICSC Mathematics 10th Chapter 13 Loci Exercise Self-Evaluation and Revision Question number 7. देखिए, construct an isosceles triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to AC is equal to 4 cm, bisect angle C internally and make a point P on this bisector such that CP is equal to 5 cm. Find the point Q and R which are 5 cm from P and also 5 cm from line AB. देखिए, एक ट्रायंगल बनाना है पहले, और ट्रायंगल ABC in which AB is equal to 6 cm दिया हुआ है. AC and BC both are equal because it is a isosceles. It is an isosceles triangle. So AC is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm. हमने ड्रा किया. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to 6 and CA is equal to CB is equal to 4 cm and CP is the angle bisector. अब देखिए, ACB का हमने एंगल बाइसेक्टर ड्रा किया है और उस एंगल बाइसेक्टर के ऊपर CP पॉइंट P पॉइंट लिया है जो कि 5 सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम C. अब हमारे को दो पॉइंट लेना है Q एंड R विच शुड बी 5 सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम P. 5 सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम P. 5 centimeter Q will be also 5 centimeter, R will be also 5 centimeter, and C is already 5 centimeter. Now this Q and R point should be equidistant from, means 5 centimeter away from AB line segment. So line segment से जब भी distance लिया जाएगा तो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस लिया जाएगा. सो दैट इज वाई आई हैव मेड QDA, दैट इज 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. यहाँ पर भी 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. और 5 सेंटीमीटर पर देखिए हमने क्या किया, पहले हमने बाइसेक्टर ड्रा किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव ड्रॉन द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल C. ऑन दैट बाइसेक्टर आई हैव टेकन अ पॉइंट P such that CP is equal to 5 centimeter. CP is equal to 5 centimeter. Taking P as a center, I have drawn a circle whose radius is equal to 5 centimeter. So it is understood that the Q and R will lie on this circle, but it should be 5 centimeter away from the AB line segment. So perpendicular distance means I have made a perpendicular distance. So on point D I have constructed an angle 90 degree which cuts the circle at Q, and similarly at point E I have constructed an angle equal to 90 degree which cuts the circle at R. So now you see the distance DQ, that is 5 centimeter. ER, that is 5 centimeter. PQ, that is 5 centimeter. PR, that is 5 centimeter. So in this way we see that this Q and R are 5 centimeter away from P, as well as it is 5 centimeter away from the line segment AB. Means QR is a parallel line to AB whose perpendicular distance is 5 centimeter. Again you see, it is a isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. Here also it is an isosceles triangle. You see 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now proceed to the question number 8. Using only a ruler and compasses, construct angle ABC 120 degree where AB is equal to BC, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Mark 2 points D and E which satisfy the conditions that they are equidistant from both BA and BC. B part, in the above figure, join AE, EC and describe the figure ABCD and ABD and ABE. देखिए हमारे को दिया हुआ है कि ABC 120 डिग्री का एंगल ड्रा करना है। तो 120 डिग्री के एंगल ड्रा करने के लिए हमने क्या किया, पहले BC ड्रा किया 5 सेंटीमीटर का, उसके ऊपर एक रेडियस लिया, आर्क काटा, सेम रेडियस लेते हुए एक आर्क इधर एक आर्क इधर, द सेकेंड आर्क को मिलाते हुए हमने एक लाइन खींच दिया BA एंड इट इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर, because it is given that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Now there is a point D and E. So D point is such that it is equidistant from AB and BC because it is a bisector of the angle. So you see 120 degree, हाफ कितना होगा 60 डिग्री, तो 60 डिग्री के लाइन पर हमने ड्रा कर दिया लाइन। Mark 2 point D and E which satisfy the conditions as they are equidistant from both BA and BC. BA and BC से equidistant होगा। All points on the angle bisectors, all points on the angle bisectors are equidistant from the arms of the angle. So that is why the point lies, you see D and E, these points lie on angle bisector of ABC. Therefore, D and E will be equidistant from the line BC and BA. Now, second part is, if you join A, B, C, D, that will be a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. If you join ABD, ABD, it is a triangle. If you join ABE, again it is a triangle. So this question is completed now. Now question number 9, construct a triangle BCP given that BC is equal to 5 centimeter, BP is equal to 4 centimeter and angle PBC is equal to 45 degree. हमें एक ट्रायंगल ड्रा करना है। देखिए पहले PBC जिसमें BC है 5 सेंटीमीटर और PB जो है 4 सेंटीमीटर है और PBC that is 45 degree. So in order to make 45 degree, first of all I have made 90 degree this line. 90 डिग्री लिया, फिर उसके बाद उसको बाइसेक्ट किया, then we got 45 degree angle. So PBC is 45 degree now. So you see the P dash equidistant from AB and AC. अब नाउ ये देखना हमारे को, ये P डैश देखिए, अब कोई भी पॉइंट किसी भी एंगल के बाइसेक्टर पर, तो हमारे को AB और AC से इक्विडिस्टेंट पर एक पॉइंट है, तो दैट पॉइंट शुड लाई समवेयर हियर ऑन BP. BP is also a bisector of ABC and angle P, point P is equidistant. Point P is equidistant from C and D. So taking P as a center and radius equal to PC, draw an arc which cuts the CD at D point. Now join D and A. That is 5 centimeter distance because it is a 5 centimeter here. and if you measure the CD, that will be equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now proceed to the other part of it. Complete the rectangle ABCD such that P is equidistant from AB and AC. AB and AC, these are the arms of angle ABC. And P is equidistant from C and D. Equidistant from C and D. P is equidistant from C and D. तो हमारे को कंप्लीट करना है. देखिए PC और PD दोनों इक्वल है. So taking P as a center and radius equal to PC. Draw the arc which cuts the circle straight line, that is 90 degree angle at D point. So now we have got A, B, C, D in this way. So measure the AB, that is 5.5 centimeter, CD, that is 5.5, BC, that is 5 centimeter, AD, that is 5 centimeter. Now again there is a point which is equidistant from AB and AC. So for that purpose I have drawn the bisector of angle BAC, you can say BBAC, which is here. You see, कट किया इसको मैंने, इसका बाइसेक्टर ले लिया, डॉटेड लाइन से मैंने इंडिकेट किया है. अब इसी ये पॉइंट जो है ए बी सी एंगल को का जो बाइसेक्टर है उसको पी डैश पर कट कर रहा है. सो पी एंड पी डैश, पी इज द पॉइंट इन द ट्राइंगल पी बी सी एंड पी डैश इज द पॉइंट. P dash is the point which lies on the bisector of angle BAC as well as ABC. दोनों के बाइसेक्टर पर है ये P dash. So P dash will be equidistant from AB and AC as well as it will be equidistant from BC also. Why? Because both the bisector intersect at P dash. Because it is a 45 and it is a rectangle, that is why ABC is 90 degree. ABC जो होगा वो 90 डिग्री होगा और ये 45 डिग्री है. PBC is 45 degree angle, it is given already. So in this way the question number 9 is completed. Now proceed to the question number 10. A straight line AB is 8 cm long. Locate by construction the locus of a point which is equidistant from A and B. Always 4 cm from the line AB. Mark 2 points X and Y which are 4 cm from AB and equidistant from A and B. Name the figure AXBY. देखिए हमने पहले क्या किया सर. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव ड्रॉन अ लाइन ए बी दैट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. इसका राइट बाइसेक्टर ड्रा किया. एम एन इज द राइट बाइसेक्टर. देखिए यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ ए बी इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. एम एन इज द राइट बाइसेक्टर ऑफ द bisector of AB. Therefore, all points lie on MN are equidistant from A and B. CD is a parallel line. CD is a parallel line to AB which is 4 cm apart. Hence, the point lie on CD are equidistant from AB line segment. AB line segment से ध्यान दीजिएगा. It is not A and B. It is a line segment. Line segment से जब भी distance लेंगे, that distance will be always perpendicular distance. So the parallel line जब draw करते हैं, तो distance between these two parallel line will be always equal. So here I have drawn a parallel line which is 4 centimeter apart. So everywhere you will get the distance between these two lines will be 4 centimeter. So CD is parallel line to AB which is 4 centimeter apart. Hence the point lie on CD are equidistant from AB line segment. Therefore AXBY is a square of the side 5.7 centimeter geometrically, and as per the calculation it will be equal to 4 root 2, that is 5.656 centimeter. Diagonal will be equal to 8 centimeter each. It is already, see, 4 centimeter ऊपर है, 4 centimeter नीचे है. तो हमारे को दो पॉइंट मिल गया. एक लाइन यहाँ पर हमने पैरेलल ड्रा किया है 4 सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट, 4 सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट. एक ऊपर 4 सेंटीमीटर, एक डाउनवर्ड में 4 सेंटीमीटर. ये भी लाइन पैरेलल है, ये भी लाइन पैरेलल है. सो the points which lie on the parallel lines are equidistant from the given line segment, that is AB. In this way, this question is completed. Now, question number 11, using the ruler and compass. Using ruler and compass, construct a triangle ABC, which AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter, CA is equal to 4.9 centimeter. To construct this, first of all you draw AB 5.5 centimeter. Now taking A as a center and radius equal to 4.9 centimeter, draw an arc. Taking B as a center and radius equal to 3.4 centimeter, draw another arc which intersect each other at point C. Now join CA and CB. In this way, we have completed the triangle ABC. Now we have to draw the locus of the point which are equidistant from A and C. Means A end hai, A and C. It is not a line segment I am taking, it is the end of the line segment. Means they are equidistant from A point, from C point. So this point, these locus will be always a perpendicular bisector or right bisector of the side AC. साइड AC के जो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर होगा उसके ऊपर जितने भी पॉइंट होगा, all those points are equidistant from A and C. So you see, the MN is the right bisector of AC. Hence the locus of point P is the right bisector of AC. Therefore the points on MN are equidistant from A and C. QEF, quad erect faciendum, which was to be done. यही हमारे को करना था. Now it is completed.